Have you ever stumbled upon a fact that made you stop and think? Today, we're diving into 25 jaw-dropping, mind-bending facts that just might make you question everything you thought you knew about life. Let's get started. Fact 1. Did you know that humans are made of stardust? Almost every element in the human body was formed in stars that exploded billions of years ago. In a way, we are all fragments of the universe itself. Fact 2. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. Though it sounds impossible, mathematically, each fold doubles the paper's thickness, turning small folds into an astronomical distance. Fact 3. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. This makes each game you play completely unique, and some possibilities may never be explored. Fact 4. Scientists believe there could be parallel universes where every possible outcome of our decisions actually happens. Ever wonder what might have happened if you'd chosen differently? Somewhere, maybe you did. Fact 5. Right now, on Earth, 99% of species that have ever existed are extinct. It's a reminder of how brief life can be on the cosmic scale. Fact 6. Speaking of cosmic scales, if the entire history of Earth were a single day, humans would have only been around for the last few seconds. Fact 7. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. It produces around 10 to 20 watts of power, meaning you're literally a source of energy. Fact 8. Water makes up about 60% of the human body. Without it, we would simply stop functioning in a matter of days. It's incredible that something so ordinary is essential to our survival. Fact 9. If the sun suddenly disappeared, it would take 8 minutes for us to notice. That's because light takes time to travel from the sun to Earth, so we're technically seeing it in the past. Fact 10. Octopuses have 3 hearts and can regrow their limbs. Some scientists even believe they might be aliens, given their unusual DNA structure and unique abilities. Fact 11. You are, on average, about 1 centimeter taller in the morning than in the evening. Gravity compresses your spine throughout the day. Fact 12. More than half of your body isn't actually human. Our bodies contain more bacterial cells than human cells, meaning we're a walking ecosystem. Fact 13. The placebo effect shows us the power of the mind. People have healed from ailments just by believing they're receiving real treatment, even if it's just sugar pills. Fact 14. The distance between atoms in our bodies means we're mostly empty space. If you removed the empty space, the entire human race would fit into a sugar cube. Fact 15. In 5 billion years, our sun will run out of fuel, expand into a red giant, and swallow the Earth. But don't worry, by then we'll hopefully be exploring other planets. Fact 16. You shed about 40 pounds of skin in your lifetime. That dust you see around your house? A good portion of it is actually your own skin cells. Fact 17. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation, making its day longer than its 225-day orbit. Fact 18. Every 7 years, your body is almost entirely renewed as old cells die and new ones take their place. You're quite literally not the same person you were a decade ago. Fact 19. Human tears contain a natural painkiller that reduces pain. When we cry, it's actually a way for our body to physically relieve stress. Fact 20. Our memories are incredibly unreliable. Each time you recall a memory, your brain rewrites it slightly, making memories almost like stories we tell ourselves. Fact 21. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. We have roughly 3 trillion trees and only 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Fact 22. The odds of you existing are unbelievably low. Scientists estimate it's about 1 in 400 trillion, considering all the factors leading up to your birth. Fact 23. Did you know in our lifetime we will meet around 80,000 people? This means each person you cross paths with leaves a small impact on your story. Fact 24. Earth's magnetic field protects us from cosmic radiation, but it has flipped over hundreds of times. One day, north and south might switch again. Fact 25. Finally, our entire galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, they'll merge, forming a new galaxy. Imagine the skies when that happens. So what do you think? Did any of these facts make you question life? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching.